comedy, for their cooking videos, whatever it was. I'm so glad that you guys found a use for this song in your daily lives, and it has made your day extra special. And we're very grateful for that. Thank you to everyone. And hindi namin expect talaga na mag-gamit pa ng viral din. Uh, and we're just enjoying it at the moment. We're just trying to let it sink in and just enjoying the moment, riding the wave and enjoying the moment. Talaga.
When did you first learn na mag-viral na yung song mo na Alan?
Yeah.
Parang buzz, like
Yeah.
views, parang videos. Then parang ito noong January, parang may nag-start ng dance trend. Ayun na, doon ako.
Yeah, so iba-iba iba-iba kami na ano eh, nung time na na-realize. Ako, I think late December ko na talagang nag-sink in na, uy, may something dito, may nangyayari talaga. This is crazy. So, yeah.
Una-una kala namin parang random mga
Yeah, akala ko natatarget lang ako ng algorithm.
pero biglang wow.
Pero totoo pala. The hype is real.
But what do you think is the reason ba't siya nag-generate ngayon ng buzz, lalo na sa mga Gen Z?
I have a theory, okay, but it's just a theory. Nung time kasi na release talaga namin yung Ali, I think there were people who liked it, but the general vibe of that generation, they wanted more angas songs. And I think now is just the perfect time for a song like Ali to flourish. Kasi parang, yun nga, because people like to dance, people like to people like like we used to call our music happy music.
Saka
Right?
I
So
think marami ngayon kasi gusto yung retro culture.
yeah, there's a nostalgia culture.
Everyone is like, oh wow, retro yung look.
Yeah.
So I think that resonates with the new generations.
Yeah. But whatever it is, whatever the reason is, we try not to question it so much. We're like we said, we're just riding this wave, and we're just glad that people are enjoying the song.
But before this thing na nag-viral, ano pong ginagawa ng Bloom Films?
We've been just like playing and
Yeah,
games.
ganun pa rin.
A lot of
Tuloy-tuloy lang.
people said na parang nawala daw kami, but we're just really
Yeah.
continuously playing since like yun nga, since Alice started.
Since Alice started.
Release, yeah.
Yeah, exactly. We've just been playing gigs,
Yeah.
enjoying it, doing what we do, honing our craft,
Yeah.
learning how to be better musicians, be better singers.
Doing corporate events, wedding events.
Yeah, wala kami talagang ini-expect na may pang something like this. Let alone Ale, which was released so long
So
ago.
we've been busy for 20 plus years.
Yeah.
We've been really busy and
We're busier now.
yeah, and this thing right now is gonna keep us busier for
Yeah.
the next 20 more years.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And can you walk us through po ba yung song na Ali, is it part of the album or
Yes.
single siya?
Ale was that was yes, that was our part of our second single ng debut album namin. So and it was the biggest hit in that album. So it made the rounds on radio. Kids, naalala niyo pa ba yung radio? Nabutan niyo pa ba yung radio? Naalala niyo pa ba yung tatawag ka sa DJ para i-request ang kanta niyo? Wala pong download nun. Man. But yes, ganun siya. It became a radio hit. It was our first radio hit. But it was nowhere as big as what it is now. It's nowhere near. This is crazy.
Yung album niyo po ba is like puro covers or meron din po kayo mga originals?
Half. Yeah. Parang, hindi. Basta, halo. Ano siya. May covers, may originals.
Can you give pa yung iba pang mga na-covers nyo on that album?
Oo, marami tayong kinover ng maganda doon eh. Yes, Never Let Her Slip Away by Andrew Gold. Meron kami Surfer Girl by the Beach Boys. Wouldn't It Be Nice also by the Beach Boys. Girl from Ipanema. If I Fell by the Beatles.
Walk on by.
Walk On By by Burt
Like
Bacharach.
mga really old stuff.
Yeah, so medyo classic talaga yung trip namin. So I highly recommend you guys check out that first album.
Yeah.
If you guys are into like old school,
Yeah.
those were our old, those were our renditions of old music. Ngayon kasi ini-AI na lang.
Gano'n na po kayo ka-busy since na nag-hit yung Al? Marami bang mga opportunities, endorsements?
Actually, wala pa kami tulog.
Ah.
5 araw na. Hindi, joke.
Salamat sa kape.
Salamat sa
Kaya kami
kape.
nagkakatingin.
Hindi naman. It's all good though. It's like we always say, being too busy is a good problem to have. So we've been busier definitely now. January felt like December. So I think
Feb looks like
Feb looks like December again, which is great.
Yeah.
But also we're extra busy because we're also working on an album. Because now that this has come out, mas na-inspire kami magsulat, tapusin yung mga nasulat na namin kanta before, and to really release it because it really like sort of confirms to us that hey, people actually want what we have to offer. So that gives us new confidence, new life, and a renewed sort of vigor to just get on with that next album.
So, paano nagbago yung life nyo to that song?
Paano nagbago life
Or-
natin?
Dahil yung mga routine nyo everyday, parang
Yung mga-
sa amin yun, gano'n.
Yung mga anak ng mga ng mga kaibigan namin nagpapa-picture na sa amin.
Oo nga.
Tsaka ngayon, every time you see like someone, pwede nga no, TikTok dance.
Ayun.
Meron na rin ba kayong version
Hindi.
nun?
Meron na.
Marami na.
Hindi kami nagte-TikTok.
Oo.
Ngayon, I'm on it now.
Ayun lang kami talaga.
Natuto na kami na mag-TikTok.
Ito rin namin.
And then, yeah.
Lahat ng nakita ng TikTok version, TikTok
Oo.
version nun, kanino kayo parang
Nag-remarkable sa inyo.
Now, marami.
Mga celebrity, of course, meron.
Ang daming celebrity na yung si Kuya Jerry.
yeah.
So that guy,
Random.
so I think, is he an actual jeepney driver ba talaga?
Driver.
So, gumawa siya ng video, and then, I think he hit like 30 million views.
Ah.
And it changed his life, and then, umiiyak siya, because nagbago yung
Nag-blended siya.
Kasi, ang daming pumasok sa kanya, and he did it with the song that we made. So parang, wow, like, I'm kind of proud of that, actually. That we had a part of that. And, ikaw, ano ang trip mo?
Ako, I would say, well, yun nga, the one who started it. We did the research. There's this girl, sinimula niya nung around December, and she was doing like a parang Cubao Expo fitting lang. Tapos, parang siya yung nag-start nun. Then, December pa lang sila yung pangalan si Elizabeth. So, thank you.
Kinontak mo. Kinontak mo.
Yeah, kinontak namin siya. So, parang siya yung nagsimula natin. Wala pa talagang dance. Pero, she hit, sumasin.
Energy lang yun. Energy lang ako. Pati si ano pala, meron, before the Ali trend na sayaw, parang there's this girl called Nick na parang pinapakinggan niya lang, tapos sabi niya, what's this song? Parang yun yung caption niya. Tapos ang dami rin nakuha views, like, so parang yun yung,
And she's like young, diba? She's
yeah,
like Gen Z.
Gen Z.
Yeah. Mm. That's great.
If you could do a TikTok trend with a Pinay celebrity na yung...
Yeah, yung Ale.
Sino yun?
Sino yung Ale nyo? Perfect.
Mini.
Ang dami.
Oh, yeah.
Kayo.
Ako, sino nga ba? Sino ba yung gumawa nun? Actually, sana si si Yeng. Actually, si Yeng. Because she seems to like the song. She seems to like doing or at least the dance.
I think we did more than
twice.
I think she did it twice or thrice. So, like, if she likes it that much, then I'm down to do it with her. Na mag-TikTok. Mag-TikTok kami. And kasama tayong lahat. That'll be fun. Live, no? Tugtog. Yeah. Galing
Mark.
Si Sir pa, kasi napag-gusto niya sa...
Ako pala. Well, sige, besides Mini Girls,
Si ano?
I guess si Ann Curtis, kasi parang hindi ko siya kumata.
Oo. Yeah.
Okay. Sige po,
Ayan.
promote na lang po na
Yung mga upcoming na
upcoming,
dapat abangan sa Bloomfield.
I'm sorry.
promote na lang.
Promote. Mga dapat abangan or upcoming.
Yun nga po,
song.
abangan po, meron po kami, we're working on our
Fifth album.
fifth album and yeah, sundan nyo lang kami sa social media, maglalabas kami ng mga kung ano-anong content, maybe yun nga, from different versions or different guests.
And also, come check us out on our gigs.
Yeah.
Yung mga gig schedules namin, we also post it on social media. Facebook and Instagram and TikTok.
And yung YouTube channel din namin, check
So yeah, please check out our YouTube channel. We have so many covers there of songs.
Isa pa maganda din yung babaero.
Yes, please check out the song namin Babaero cover na. If you like Ale, you might like Babaero as well. And meron kami mga covers dun ng repertoire namin, which includes a lot of classic songs, Beatles, and stuff from the 60s, 1960s. Yeah.
Thank you.